In this video, I will do a review about the Shopify Basic plan. Maybe you wanna get access to Shopify, but you want to use the Shopify Basic plan, but you don't know some of the features that comes with this plan. In this video, I'm gonna give you a review, my honest, unbiased review about this plan, guys. Okay. Remember, if you wanna get access, first of all, with Shopify, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, so that you can able to get started for free using Shopify. And also, you can also use this Shopify Basic plan for 30 days free trial, guys. Okay, so what you can do here, as you can see that I have an inside the members area of Shopify Basic plan, guys. Okay, so this is my own free trial that I'm gonna be paying after 30 days. I will pay this basic plan. So let's just go here first of all to this page. So when you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, it's gonna take you to this page, guys. Okay, you can get started for free using Shopify. That's gonna be your that you can enjoy your first month only for $1, guys. Okay, so this is the plan that we'll be focusing on, guys. To you, this is the basic plan. This is the most popular plan, guys. Okay, this is good for people that are starting out in a drop shipping, or people that maybe you're an advanced drop shipper, but just use this plan, guys, basic plan. So what you can see here is, you can see that, okay, for this plan, if you wanna pay on a monthly basis, it's gonna be costing you only $25 on a monthly basis. Okay, but if you wanna pay yearly, maybe that you want to just pay on a yearly basis, you don't want Shopify to charge your credit card on a monthly basis, you can also pay yearly, meaning that you can pay, guys, you can able to save up to 25% off. So let me show you some of the features that comes with this plan. If I go to my Shopify account, as you can see that, okay, you can also add products, guys. Okay, you can also go to products, so you can also go to orders. So with this plan, as you can see that, you can also check how many orders you got in the last, maybe you can also do some customization based on how many orders you got maybe today, how many orders you got maybe in the last 7 days, how many orders you got in the current hour or yesterday, in the last 30 days. Those are things that you can do, like how many orders item, how many returns that you have. Okay, you can also go to abandoned charts, like this abandoned charts, guys, means that this is whereby a customer click on your store but they never purchased, so you can see all of the analytics here, guys. Okay, you can also go to products. This is whereby that you can also add a product to your store. Okay, but if let's say you don't know any products, like you don't know where to find product to sell, just click here to browse product sourcing apps. It's gonna take you to this Shopify app. This is whereby that Shopify excels, guys. Okay, meaning that you can also use these buying tools that comes with Shopify. Okay, such as these or Zendrop, such as Pocket, so that you can able to find this buying tool that's gonna be showing you the best winning products for your dropshipping business, guys. Okay, what else you can do? You can also go to collections and stuff. I'm not gonna go to all of these things, guys. Okay, you can also go to customers. So when you go to customers, this is whereby that you can able to see where your customers they live. Okay, maybe which country your customers they live, and also you can also import customers. If you already have an existing customers, you can also import the list here, guys. You can also add your customers here. You can also do some segments on your customers, like the customers who have purchased at least once. Okay, is gonna be showing you the percentage of those customers, and also the email subscribers, maybe like the customers who subscribe to your newsletters, and also the customers who have banned the check in the last 30 days, how many you got them, and also the customers who have purchased more than once. Like you can see all of the data here. You can also check the customers who haven't purchased yet, guys. Okay, you can do all of those things here with Shopify. You can also create a segment here, guys. Okay, using Shopify, it is very, very easy to use Shopify, guys. Okay, you can also create a segment here. It is very, very easy. You can also go to content. Okay, so let's click here to content. So when I go here to content, you're gonna see all of those things that comes with under content. You can also go to analytics. So what I like about analytics is that Shopify is gonna be giving you all of the statistics about how your Shopify store is performing in the last 30 days, or maybe in the last 7 days. All of those things are like how many orders, how many total sales that you got for today, for yesterday. You can also compare them, like if you made more sales than yesterday, or if you made less sales today than yesterday, guys. So those are things that you can do or you can also use this feature called auto refresh. I like this feature because that each and every 5 minutes it's gonna refresh, guys. Instead of you clicking to refresh auto manually, you can just also check here, guys, okay, how many orders you got last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, in the last year, in the last month. Okay, there's so many things that you can do here, guys. Okay, you can also check how many, like, the online store sessions, meaning that like how many visitors that you got are in your store right now. Okay, you can see all of those things. You can also check online store conversion rate, like if your store, like if your conversion rate is above 15%, your store, it is converting very well, guys. Okay, it is converting very well. You can also see the total orders that you got, and also you can also see the total orders, the average order value of your customers. You can see all of those things. What else? You can also see the top selling products. If they say that in your store you have multiple products, you can also check it here, guys. Okay, the top selling products, so that you can scale the right products for your dropshipping business. Okay, you can also check the customer core analytics. You can also check the returning customer return. Like if let's say that the product that you are selling, you are getting above 10% return, please do not promote that product, because that product, guys, it is not good for your customers. Okay, but this is less than 10% return rate. The product, it is perfect, guys. Okay, that's a winner. You can also sort by sessions, by locations, like how many visitors that you are getting, maybe in the USA or maybe in Canada, which country. And also you can also check by sessions, by devices, like, because it is very important, guys, that you optimize your store based on the traffic that you are getting from, guys. Okay, if you say that you are getting most 85% of the traffic from a smartphone, please optimize your store for cell phone devices, guys. Okay, it is very important that you must pay a close attention to these analytics, guys. Okay, it may sound like they are no use, but these analytics, guys, it is very important. So that you can know where traffic is coming from, and also what type of devices that your customers they are using, guys. Okay, it is very important that you do all of those things, guys. Okay, you can also check by sessions, by social source, meaning that, okay, where the traffic is, where do you get the most of the traffic, guys. Okay, maybe for Instagram, maybe from TikTok, maybe for Facebook, maybe from YouTube, maybe for Google. You have to see all of these things, guys. Okay, using Shopify. These are some of the features that Shopify offers, guys. Okay, for the basic plan. Okay, so what you can do, you can also go here to report. So when you click here to report, it's gonna be showing us all of those things, like such as sections by locations, sessions over time, all of those things. You have to pay close attention to this data, guys. Okay, you can also go to live session, meaning that right now how many visitors that you are getting from your store, guys. Okay, just from here, live sessions, you can start the visitors right now, total sales right now, how many visitors that you are getting, and also the top locations that you're getting from, and also the customers, and also the products that you are having, guys. Okay, it's going to be showing you all of those things, guys. Okay, you can also go to marketing. So under marketing, this is whereby that you can also use Shopify to do some email marketing for your products. Okay, it is very important, like some customers that who landed or who clicked on the checkout page but they never purchased. So it is very important that you are using email marketing to do email follow-ups, so that you can also promote your products using email sequences. You can do all of those things using Shopify. Just click here to create a campaign. You can do all of those things, guys. Okay, you can also use automations, like this automation. This is whereby that you are using email follow-ups, that says people that who abandoned the checkout but they never purchase on your store. Just use this feature, guys. Okay, so that you can get as many sales as you want. You can also use a discount for your dropshipping business. Okay, what I like about discount is that, guys, okay, you are getting more sales, guys. Okay, when using this feature, guys. Okay, you're using that, guys. Okay, you can just use this online store. This is whereby that you can have these themes that comes with Shopify, guys. Okay, there's so many themes, done for you themes that you can use from Shopify for free, guys. Okay, so if you want to get access, guys, okay, with Shopify for this basic plan, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, so that you can start it for free using Shopify only for 30 days, guys. Take care and may God bless you. Sharp, guys.